Introducing the TURBRO electric fireplace heater, the most efficient way to heat your home. Installation is easy. Just screw on the legs, plug it in, then enjoy. Press the power button to turn on the flames. Then press the heater button and easily adjust the temperature to your comfort. It conveniently heats a room up to 1,000 square feet, and the vintage design allows it to fit into any decor. The heater also has all safety certifications, including overheat protection, and the cool touch surface makes it safe for any household. Since the heater and the fire effect work separately, you can enjoy it all year long. So get yours today. TURBRO, elegant and safe home products.
At Best Reviews, we help shoppers find the best products on the market. We take popular items and put them to the test, just like you would use them at home, to see if they deliver what the manufacturer promises. This way, you have all the information you need before you buy. Today, we're testing out the Dragon 4 digital programmable radiant heater from DeLonghi. This model features a design with enlarged fins for more radiant surface area and patented thermal chimney effect technology, which the brand claims effectively and efficiently maximizes heat flow throughout the room while maintaining a lower surface temperature. Here's a recap of our pros and cons. First, the pros. The DeLonghi Dragon 4 is a compact, portable space heater that is easy to program and capable of heating a small to medium-sized room in a fairly short amount of time. The programmable timer was simple to use and very reliable for both extending the heating and delaying the time of when the unit would turn on. We also like that the Eco mode gives variable heating intensities to maintain the room temperature while being as energy efficient as possible. Now the cons. We don't believe this heater would be as effective for a larger size room, and that it works best in a completely enclosed space. We also felt like the Eco mode button was slightly hard to press down, but this didn't make the heater any less functional. The bottom line? The DeLonghi Dragon 4 is a compact, efficient, and user-friendly space heater that will help you quickly heat the rooms of your house that need it most, and then maintain the warmth for as long as needed.
Stay warm with a compact Lasko ceramic heater with adjustable thermostat. The adjustable thermostat control feature allows for personalized comfort any time of the year. Equipped with built-in safety features, 1,500 watts of comforting warmth, and 3 quiet settings, the Lasko ceramic heater provides high heat, low heat, and fan-only options. The convenient carry handle allows for easy transport, and the 3-year limited warranty ensures reliability. Arriving fully assembled, the Lasko ceramic heater is the perfect addition for any home. The Lasko remote control ceramic heater with digital display keeps you comfortable in any climate. With a multifunction remote control, digital readout, and a programmable thermostat, this heater is versatile enough for most rooms and can be easily transported with the built-in carry handle. This Lasko 1,500 watt tower heater is equipped with widespread oscillation and an 8-hour timer for an easy-to-use experience every time.
Stay warm with Dr. Infrared Heater, the state-of-the-art energy-saving space zone heater that can heat a large 1,000 square foot room fast. Dr. Infrared Heater keeps you comfortable all winter long and could even help slash your heating bill in half.
Dr. Infrared Heater is the best one that I've ever had.
The heat that it emits is really just warm, just yummy kind of feeling.
Really fast, it's quiet.
The heat from Dr. Infrared Heater is wonderful. It is so gentle and it fills the space. It doesn't blast out at me like other ones that we've used. It just gently fills the space with the warmth that we want. It's really cozy.
You turn the heat on, you know that it will come on instantly. I think every home should have it. Every classroom should have it. I absolutely love it. I can't imagine life without Dr. Infrared Heater.
Now, not only is it affordable and a great value, but it can help you save hundreds of dollars off your home heating costs. In fact, many homeowners enjoy annual savings of up to 50% on their heating costs.
One customer, Steve, writes, "I saved about $110 this month. This heater will pay for itself in 2 months."
And J.A. Mudson writes, the heat radiates the room and warms everywhere. We have been able to cut off our wall heat and save on rising propane costs.
I mean, we can go on and on. Monica purchased 2 heaters and says she uses them instead of her furnace. With Dr. Infrared Heater, you simply get more for your money. This ingenious high-velocity blower forces heat into the environment for maximum distribution as it stays remarkably cool inside, which ensures maximum hot air distribution and extended operating life. Speaking of which, the lifetime of Dr. Infrared Heater is an incredible 80,000 hours for winter after winter of comfort and savings. That's 4 times longer than other infrared heaters. No other heater on the market can match Dr. Infrared Heater's performance.
What do you say we show our viewers at home just how fast Dr. Infrared Heater works?
Great.
Here we have 2 airtight chambers. Inside one is a space heater with a price tag of over $400. And in the other is Dr. Infrared Heater, which costs not even half of that. Just imagine what this revolutionary heating system can do in your home.
This state-of-the-art heating system features an impressive 5-point safety design that'll give you peace of mind every day and night.
A problem I've encountered with many space heaters in the past is they get too hot. Once they're on, forget about touching them, let alone moving them until they've cooled off. And for added safety and security, Dr. Infrared Heater is engineered with a sensor that automatically shuts off the heating system if the internal temperature reaches an excessive level.
I love this feature. Dr. Infrared Heater has an automatic shut-off timer you can set from 1 hour all the way up to 12 hours.
With Dr. Infrared Heater, I don't have to worry about one of my kids, or Trixie, our lab, bumping into it or knocking it over. Because look at it. It's sturdy, it's solid, it's not going anywhere.
And proudly, Dr. Infrared Heater is listed by ETL and Underwriters Laboratories in the USA and Canada. These marks represent the utmost in safety and quality assurance.
Make this winter the season you start saving big money on home heating and order Dr. Infrared Heater right now.